So guys, today we are here to show you something. So this is a library for like adding variables. So when you have imagine this, so you have an application that have authentication. So when an user is mm, logged in, it should show different style, and when an user is not logged in, you need to show some other style. So we need to use condition in classname. This library helps us to solve this problem. So let's just open up code, and we have an application. Just it will run for a second. Okay, so the next app is, I think it's loaded. Let's go for localhost 3000, and it's starting. Yeah, it's running. So we have some warnings here. Whatever it is, it's running. So I already implemented the thing. Okay. So we need to look at UI. So here we have global style. Okay. Let's just make things okay. Okay. Okay, guys. First of all, we imported the library clsx. Okay, and we declared a variable if the user is logged in or not, a boolean one, and we have a variable for the body style to store our class name. So where we have clsx function, and we have two objects, as we can see. This as the first parameter, we have logged user, that is the class name we defined in global.css. When a user is logged in, the border or should look like this. Okay, when an user is not when an user is not logged in, it should look the like this or green border line. Let me show you that. So make sure yeah, I'm going to make the user logged out, and if we check this application, we seen the border changed to green. So it's where this library is very cool, and it's very useful. That's all guys, thank you.